In this video tutorial, you will learn how to log into Skype for Business, add or change your profile picture, add a contact, start an instant message conversation, start a video call, and schedule a Skype meeting using Outlook. First, we will log into Skype for Business. Enter your Office 365 user ID and password, then click Sign In. Once logged in, you can add or change your picture. Your Skype for Business picture is the same as your Office 365 profile picture, which appears in other Office programs you use, such as Outlook. If you want to change it, here's how. In the Skype for Business main window, click your picture, or if you haven't ever set up your picture, click the generic avatar that appears where your picture would be. In the My Picture options, under My Picture, click Edit or Remove Picture to open your Office 365 About Me page. Log into your Office 365 if you haven't. Once this opens, click the Upload Photo that you see over here on the right, and then browse to the picture that you want to use. Any size and resolution is fine. Click the file that you wish, and then click Save. I'm going to close the Office 365 and go back to my Skype window. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to add a contact using the search. Here's the quick way to add a contact. In the search box on the contacts view of the Skype for Business main window, type a name, instant message address, or desk phone number if they are in your organization. If your organization uses Office 365 groups, you can also search for the group name. As you type, search results will start appearing below the search box, and the tabs will change from Groups, Status, Relationships, and New to meet My Contacts and Skype Directory, as you can see. So I'm going to start typing somebody's name. And now I see the name I was looking for. So if the person or group you're searching for is in your organization, keep the My Contacts tab selected, which is the default, which is right here. When My Contacts is selected, Skype for Business searches in your organization's address book. If the person you're searching for is not in your organization, but you know they have a Skype account, click the Skype Directory tab to search for them among the millions of Skype users out there. Which would be this one. Knowing their Skype ID and location helps narrow the search quickly. You can also search using their email address or Microsoft account, for example, john@outlook.com. When you see the listing for the person you want to add, point at their picture or picture display area. If they are in your organization, My Contacts, and you want to add them to one of your groups, click More Options, and then choose Add to Contacts List, and select one of your groups, or choose Add to Favorites. So here's the More, and you can select Add to Contacts List, and I could choose Add to Favorites, but she's already a favorite, so she's already there. If they are a Skype user and you want to add them to one of your groups, click Add to Contacts, and then choose one of your groups or the group favorites to add them. When you add a Skype contact in Skype for Business, you receive a notification saying that the Skype user has to accept the request before you see their presence and start communicating with them in Skype for Business. Now I'm going to show you how to start an instant message conversation. To find the person you want to send an instant message to, do one of the following. Hover over their picture in the contacts list and click the I am button. Type your message at the bottom of the conversation window. Press Enter on your keyboard to send the message. You can add other people to the conversation by dragging their contact listing from your contacts list into the conversation window. Now there's 2 people on this conversation besides myself. To start a video call. If your account is enabled for video calls, you can make face-to-face video calls with your contacts. All you need is a camera and your computer's speakers and microphone. You can also use a headset if your computer doesn't have a built-in audio device. Open Skype for Business and either find a contact in your contacts list or type a name in the search box to find the person you're looking for. Point to the contact's picture and click the video icon. An alert pops up on your contact screen, which they can use to accept or ignore your request. If the video call is accepted, the conversation window expands to display the video. Use the views and controls such as mute and unmute as much as needed. At any time, you can end the call. Just close the window or click the hang up button. To stop showing your video, point to the camera icon and click End Video. The audio will continue. Now I'm going to show you how to schedule a Skype meeting using Outlook. In the Office 365 portal, open your browser, type in login.microsoftonline.com. If you weren't already logged into Office 365, you would choose your account and log in with your password. Click the app launcher, then click Calendar to open the Calendar app. We're going to click the plus sign or the new just below the app launcher and fill in the meeting information as usual. At the top of the screen, there are some menu items. You're going to choose Skype Meeting, and then in the drop-down, add Skype Meeting. We can add some details to the event. And when you chose Add Skype Meeting, it put Online Meeting right here. And we can add a room. It'll find rooms that are available that you have for your business. You can put your start time, end time, dates, repeat. If you will have in-person attendees, then you can add the room for help finding a conference room and select the room you'll be using, which is what I did. You can add a picture by clicking this picture button into this box down here. Or you can add any kind of information you want about the meeting. Make sure you don't touch the part about join online meeting though. Then you can add the people you are inviting by typing their names in the people box. And then at the top of the meeting window, click Send.